If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. In the building with, I don't know, how do you say this? Derre? Is this Dre? Derre. What is Derre? I saw the teaser. It looks like it's a little like a flirtatious thing happening actually. But I mean, it's BIBI. Who wouldn't want to flirt with BIBI? But without further ado, let's check this out in 3, 2, 1. She's eating lunch by herself? That is so aesthetically pleasing, huh? The green seats. Oh, that's what I saw on the teaser. Was she sitting in front of you like that? Oh, she is sweating. Hey, yo. She took her water? What is this, power move? This is a power move? Oh, damn. Dang. What you gonna do about it? Dang. Okay. Water on the wiener? Is that a wiener? Oh. No, you don't. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. No. Extra flavoring, extra spice, and everything. Not. Ma'am. Hold up. And now she's released. She's like, she's in it. She's in it. How the hell you gonna eat a sausage? Is that a sausage or a wiener? What is that? Like, it looks like a Vienna sausage, but better. No. Oh. She has a crush. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Hey, yo. Whoa. There is so much happening. First of all, if I don't care how much you like me, if I'm pooping or peeing, I mean, that's a homie right there, but damn, what a shot. Just giving some tissue paper. This kind of triggers me a little bit, but you know, that's thoughtful, especially if I need tissue paper. Ooh. Okay. Wait. Hold on. What is this position of? You know what? I was gonna call this out. Like, what is this? Ass up, watch it on the phone type of shit. You know what? I've been there. Sometimes I just like to just put my ass up and watch something on my phone, or play something or text on my phone. I'm exposing myself. This is how I watch things sometimes. Oh. What the hell, BIBI? You got a little ketchup on your face. Oh, it's like a fire department. It's PE, no? It's such a vibe with the whole instrumental. Ooh. Ooh. I can get you dead. Who's on fire? Wait, whoa. Whoa. God damn. Wait, what is that? Wait, what the fuck? Homegirl. Oh, she, okay, drenched. Getting that fire, that's risky. Save her ass. Yeah, get in there. Don't just hug, just carry her. Okay. Okay, hero. Hey, that's yours, huh? Damn, what a shot. Walking out of the fire, saving a girl. Okay, hero. Damn, BB, what the hell? That montage was crazy. You talking about the one that's like at... Oh, that's crazy. Enough. Okay. Wait, this montage right here. Oh, yeah, right here. Boom, 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 boom. How do you do that? That's a cool... That's an interesting, like, picture frame. Is that AI edited? I wonder. I don't know, but it satisfied my brain. Hey. So basically it was like a crush, no? It's like she likes the girl, but she doesn't mind if it's a secret though. The word derre is a Middle English word that means pleasurable, giving pleasure, beloved, prized, or precious. End scene is so relatable, like, if I save you from a fire, am I good enough for you? Will you like me then? In the last frame, we realize she set the fire herself. That's what I thought! So she's the one that set the fire, no? Is that was implemented? Oh, hell no, that's crazy. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no, baby. He's like, I really love you. I'm going to save you one day. Sets the fire that you almost died in. I saved you, though. Will you take me? No, I feel like people do think that, though, or do that. I feel like people will go into those lengths. That's crazy. That's imagine dropping this at a time where hundreds, thousands of people in your home country currently are protesting against same-sex marriage and homosexual TV series. BB, the woman you are. That's what I'm saying. LGBT, let's go. LBGT, like BB always been about that though. She always talked about subjects that are like happening in her country and put it on like a spotlight. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. We're going to check out Burn It featuring Dean. Now, it's been a minute since I heard Dean. That man, his voice. Just stay away from stairs, please. And BB, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin.
Tell me what you see when you're looking in my eyes. Like a flame I'm made in you. Baby, what I see when I'm looking in your eyes, see the waves you make, got my body rolling, body rolling.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Body rolling, body rolling.
Got me body rolling type of shit. Okay, we started off strong. Okay.
Tell me what you see when you're looking in my eyes. Ooh. Like a flame I made in
like
you.
a flame I made in you.
What
you see? Are we body rolling? Body burning?
Ooh.
like, oh. Got that body roll on top of vibe.
We get way too many cars when we fucking.
Stop! Stop! You can't. How you gonna start a song like that? Why your verse? When we get way too many cars while we fucking. What the fuck? Dean, you can't.
Way too many cars when we fucking.
Okay.
Turn me up, shake. I don't wanna forget.
Okay.
You don't get naked. I'm always on fire.
Woo.
Get a cat till I can't breathe. Maybe she would
Like that till I can't breathe. He's saying. Suppose, yeah. This was. This makes. This makes sense. God, you got me gagged. What the? This makes sense why I got banned from KBS. Hey man, KBS, just play it. This shit fire. Ooh. Hey. I like that, like not like a shh, but like blowing out the flame. Body burning, body burning, body rolling. Is that it for real? Oh. Okay, my bad. I'm sorry. He said, hey. Damn.
Notify me when you come around, Just one 건 너와 다시 되돌아가게 너 하나만 떠올라. Just rolling, 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 rolling. Burn it, burn it, burn it, burn it.
I would love to see this live.
내일 아침 눈을 뜨면 아무것도 없을 테니.
Damn. Hold up. How the hell? He just gonna start his verse. This is the cover of the art. The cover art looks like. Off the bat, it's my type of style. The R&B feel. Dang, bro. He came out strong. My God. Wait, hold up. BIBI killed it. Loved her verse. Love her verses, her lyrics. Very sensual song. And freaking Dean just went straight to the part, like to the point, literally. Like, let me see. I think it's right after this. Straight to the point, my boy. Hey. Till I can't breathe. I can't wait for more Dean, bro. It's been too long, bro. How long has it been? I mean, he came out with some songs, and I was all for it, but I just, man, I wait. I can't wait for new music, man. I can't wait. This right here, it's already, like, every time you speak, I don't think, you don't know you miss someone until you hear their voice again. And he's been, like, singing live and stuff. Let's go, Dean. It's good to see you back. Good to hear you back. BIBI. Got that feature with Dean called Burn It. Loving it, loving it. My God. What a great comeback. What?
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.